mukra eno pa ho a ye ka ya nsem nyina che transport minister owura Joseph Bukari no pe mbadanya di no
correct. Welcome to this episode of The Political Round with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Transport owners and I said drivers, we fu gidi. Dancing. See, apambi wo muni John Mahama, our president, omuntem. Now some apam no. I say His Excellency John Mahama no. Wa breaky. And I say he's not fulfilling his side of the bargain. A bargain bear. Now Mbekaya, prior to election 2024, a lot of agenda kosu. Unkofo bebre making sure say MPP candidate Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. He was made unpopular. And there were a lot. Now, some of the people cry, yes, I did money now. Maybe some will say, master winning way, and I say, group way, and association way. So, money now will benefit TB over the past 8 years. Now, and this MPP were buying more. And she by the saying, I say, money now, more gangi up. More gangi up against MPP. Now, probably now, Munjin, this say, something like that was ongoing where people have ganged up against MPP. Who catching of baby no mujindi? How they thought say, oh, MPP for now mu per se or muka sembi to show say the apathy and I say baby anyway no normal and all those things. But I just hope say with the kind of revelations that are coming up now, no, people are beginning to see the true colors of the NDC. Now, you see, before you understand NDC for the party that it is, you must know, say, a party BI, it was built based on deceit. A intro. So now that's the foundation of NDC. Because already, there was a party, and that party's name was PNDC. And yes, sir. And that PNDC, they only removed the P for NDC to come. So it is the same good that Ghanaians are buying at a different price. The same PNDC now, the same military regime, the same Montreal regime. And if you have someone like His Excellency John Mahama coming to meet drivers and so and tells them say Oni omuko apamuno, you should never ever trust such a person. You should not trust such a person. And now you see how this bitter driver now, leader of drivers, he is talking, say, why campaign at my NDC? How they made him go and buy fuel. He took videos of buying the fuel, the gallon of fuel, how he has been traveling with a gallon of fuel from campaign to campaign, telling people, say, oh, MPP new, Bawumia new, MPP new, Akufo-Addo new, Akufo-Addo Trimo, Akufo-Addo de...
Abra, Omampanyini, Mahama, kwa probono. Oba drama for na so me no TUC conference room ho. Ema Ayɛka ya ha o kire no. Ye ka ha o ne kire no aso o ka kire ni say ye ne nkwa apam. Na apam ye ne nkwa ni say ye nto abama no. No so enye ya pede mbaye. Enti so be sha ye mu bi ne sa petrol gallon ekọ wa wo me o ka tachi free pachuto. Nene ko ye adwuma bi ma tende Ghana ha e di drama echi ye drubrekum ne kuta petrol gira stage so and this for the common national advert ho ye mu adwuma o wo MPP for the way
na say Akufo-Addo ani trimu odi Akufo-Addo we King Agokoli Akufo-Addo ye Nebuchadnezzar Akufo-Addo ye Wambium all the Gaddafi, Akufo Gaddafi. They say Akufo Gaddafi only hobby. They say John Mahama with the good heart, John Mahama Messiah, John Mahama John the Baptist, John Mahama Abednego, John Mahama Daniel, John Mahama Joseph. He is the one now who is the president. Now, just about 70 days in power now, already fuel prices have gone up more than 4 times. More than 4 times. Meanwhile, you told drivers, say, oh, bad, the fuel prices will go down. There has only been one government back in the Fourth Republic, that has been able to get fuel prices to come down. A MPP government under Akufo-Addo, 2022. 2022, we saw how fuel prices came down by more than 3 cities, 4 cities in some instances. But your car, kind of phone tea. So these drivers, papa, our boyfriends, our sugar daddies, they ganged up. They went to meet with John Mahama and NDC. They came up with a plan. And the plan they came up with was just to make the government of Akufo-Addo unpopular, to make the candidacy of Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia unpopular. And they succeeded. Yeah, it was successful. But you see, they said there's a popular saying, and this is what they say. They said the ship that is going about, sorry to use this word, but shitting around, passing watery stools, might think that it is destroying its environment. But aside destroying your environment, your tail, you've forgotten that your tail covers that side of your body that the excreta comes from. So your tail will also be smelling. That is what is happening to our drivers. You went about destroying the reputation of Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, who indeed is the most active, the most effective vice president in the history of Ghana in this Fourth Republic. And the Obiantimi Jeffrey same. Before Bawumia vice president, we were told, say John Mahama, a brand new vice president, he was just going to attend weddings and funerals. That is what Amasto said he should do. Right? But for Bawumia as a vice president, more than 35 different policies he implemented as the vice president. And yes, Akufo-Addo say on you, initiative from the office of the vice president. And the agenda Obianye continues. See, we don't want to hear anybody complain. No driver for winning a one a grant your interviewer. And more be a grant you be an interview. No one should grant anybody interview for them to even have the chance to come and be crying before microphones. Say, oh, and I'm say. Debbie. One company ma NDC biano, pacho ye din. Obianye din, because yeah, it's called to my NDC cry ye din. We who want to vote for the better candidate, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, even we are quiet. Now you people that went to sell the nation to these nation wreckers, a band of nation wreckers, you people are talking. Everyone should be quiet. We want total silence because you won't say hit or not, say dum so hit or we are all experiencing. If you're in heat, you don't like to hear noise. Because the more noise you hear, the more heat you feel. So we don't want to be feeling heat. Like right now, what should we do? Stop frustrating us. This is a reset you voted for. Let's all enjoy it while it lasts. 2028 will be finding the smoothness level. This has been a political rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sam TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.